In today's video, I am going to teach you how to show YouTube videos with audio in Google Meet. To begin, open Google Meet in your web browser and join your meeting. You can join through a meeting link, from your calendar, or by entering a meeting code. Once you are inside the meeting, take a moment to confirm that your microphone and camera settings are correct. This helps you avoid distractions later when you start sharing content. Next, locate the screen sharing option in the meeting controls. In Google Meet, this is usually labeled something like Share Screen or Present Now, and it is found along the bottom of the meeting window. Click that Share Screen button to open the sharing menu. When the sharing options appear, choose the option that lets you share a Chrome tab. This is important because sharing a browser tab is the most reliable way to send both video and audio to everyone in the meeting at the same time. After you select the Chrome tab option, you will see a list of all the tabs that are currently open in your Chrome browser. From that list, click the tab that has YouTube open or the tab where the YouTube video is ready to play. Before you confirm, look for the audio setting in the sharing dialog. It is usually a toggle or checkbox below the list of tabs that says something like Share Tab Audio. Turn that audio option on. This step is what allows the other people in your Google Meet to hear the sound from the YouTube video, not just see the visuals. Once the YouTube tab is selected and the audio option is enabled, confirm the share. After you start presenting, switch to the YouTube tab if needed. Set your video to the correct spot and press play. Keep the YouTube player volume at an appropriate level so it is clear but not overpowering. If participants say they cannot hear anything, pause the video and double-check that you are sharing a Chrome tab and that tab audio is still enabled. When you are finished, stop presenting in Google Meet to return to normal conversation. And that covers everything you need to know.